What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. The most liked comment on our previous video of Twilight Zone's Tower of Terror POV comes from Marcel Bobadilla. This particular video was posted on the ride's birthday. It says, "Happy birthday Tower of Terror, this ride never gets old. It's so fun." I agree completely. All the new Disney rides are so cool and innovative, but honestly, Tower of Terror is still up there at one of my favorite Walt Disney World rides. If you're new here, the most liked comment on this video gets read on our next. Thanks for watching our video of Scorpion Coaster at Busch Gardens, Tampa. This is a great starting off point coaster if you're not really ready for all the big ones just yet. Scorpion is a great place to start. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Busch Gardens ride is, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.